Alright, great. Dr. Jason Tirado, West New York Chiropractor. We're back with Jeannetta, and what we are going to do is we're going to adjust her full spine. She actually has a little bit of, you get a little neck pain, right?
Yes.
Yeah, she gets some neck pain, she gets some headaches sometimes, and I guess that comes from sitting behind a desk for a while, or, yeah. Yeah, realtors typically, they're going to have some neck pain, they're going to have a lot of tightness inside there and inside the lower back, and this adjustment's really going to help her out. And then afterwards, she's going to have her softer care pillows to sit down, and it's going to help give her correct posture when she's sitting down inside our chairs. So you guys get to watch. All right, so let's just check her leg lengths first. Oh my goodness. Good, there we go. All right, left leg is a little short today, Jeannetta. All right, so you get some rotation inside that left hip, right on that side. So it's going to start off by just adjusting that hip joint. So just relax nice and easy, just like that. Do that a few times. Just like that. And then right inside the side joint, and just relax. Do that again. Just your sacrum. One more time. Adjust this right hand side, and then your right hip there. Good. One more time. Just right side here. So you breathe for me really deep. All the way out. Just relax. Good. Very good. Good. Now we're going to go to the hard part right up top. Build up a lot of pressure and tension right inside there. Okay, come a little closer. And just relax nice and easy. I'm going to gently just leave your head to the side. Nice and easy. Just kind of let that go. Just let that go. That's where you're real tight. Inside there, just kind of let that go right there. Just like that. Good. Good. Are we doing okay?
Yeah.
Good. We're going to go right inside here. Good. Just relax your head, nice and easy. Good. Just let that drop. A little bit more. Right inside there. Let that go. Right there. Very good. And back here. Wow. Wow, that really released really well inside there. Okay, Jeannetta, come lay down right on your side, face me here. Just that lower back. Alright. Okay, I'm just going to turn you a little bit. A little closer. Awesome. Good. Relax your shoulder a little bit, and lean your back. And your hips just kind of roll forward. And a little bit more right inside there. Let that go. Good. Hold on. A little bit more. Try to get the side. Go on the other side. Nice and easy. Move on the other side, please. Turn in a bit. A little closer. Just like that. Turn your hands. Just like that. Good. Kind of just let your hips float forward a little bit. Just breathing from you really deep. All the way out. Let it go. One. Come right on your back. Come on your face up. Good. Good. You just relax your legs nice and easy. I'm going to stretch out your hip joint. Let this leg drop down. Nice and easy. Just like that. Good. You okay? Good. Just like that. Sometimes you hear a little pop in there. You relax here. Good. Just relax the ankle joint. Just going to stretch a little bit. Open it up. A little more. Good. Good. Slide right back up. Good. Relax inside here. Let that drop. Good. Good stretch. And we come here. Just come closer. And just relax a little bit. And open up the joint inside here. Let it go. Good. 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 Slide back up a little bit. Okay. Good so far? Good. Okay, just going to relax your elbow and your shoulder a little bit. Good, so there. Relax the elbow. Good. Relax the fingers. A little more. take a look at his shoulder. Good. Elbow. Nice and easy. Near the wrist. Good. Thumb joint. A little more. Good. Right here. Good. Hands right there. Excellent. Okay. And let's just relax nice and easy. Just let it towards you, just a drop, just a drop. Perfect. Thank you. And just relax, just gonna let it go. Good. And just relax all those muscles inside there. Nice and easy. Good. Nice and easy. Just going to gently stress. Just stretch out inside a little bit more. Good. Just let that go. Relax a little more. Just going to go over. You might even hear that kind of pop right there. No, relax here. Come back here. And relax, let go. That's where you're going to adjust it, right inside there. That's where you come a little locked up right inside there. Just let it go. Good. Relax this muscle right there. Yeah, we're just going to stretch a little bit. Relax inside there. A little bit more. That's it. Just kind of let that go. A little bit more. Very good. Very good. So I want to breathe in real deep. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Again, real deep in. All the way out. And last time. Real deep. Let it out. Just let it go. Nice little traction. Good. Excellent. There we go. Great adjustment. Let me give you a hand up nice and easy. 1, 2, and 3. Bring your legs right on that side. You might feel a little dizzy. All right, hopefully not. Awesome. How's that feel?
Great.
Yeah, a little lightheaded or?
No.
Oh, great. Okay. You know, so for those people that don't go to chiropractic, that are kind of thinking maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't, any opinion on that? Any advice you might be able to give them?
You absolutely should go.
Yeah?
Yes.
Benefits? You think there's some benefits to it, or?
Yes.
Yeah?
Specifically if you're sitting a lot.
Yeah.
And also if you're exercising a lot.
Yeah.
That really helps you. And
Yeah.
you've helped me many times.
That's great.
When I was in pain.
That's great to hear. All right, guys. Well, Jeannetta, you're a great realtor over in Jersey City. I'm Dr. Jason Tirado, your West New York chiropractor. See you soon. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel by checking out my Crackamaniac t-shirts by clicking on the link below. And also, I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what, I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.